I'm just gonna sit here in the whole video and sit here. That's bro. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to Finland and it's going to be approximately minus 30 degrees at some places. So of course I had to buy a bunch of stuff and I needed a bunch of stuff that would keep me nice and warm in these extreme temperatures. So I thought let me take you through everything and show you everything that I got. So we have a lot to get through. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So the first thing I think which is an essential are these warmers. This is a hand warmer, this is a body warmer, and this is a foot warmer. So all you need to do is kind of stuff them into your clothing and it's like having a walking hot water bottle with you wherever you go. So I think that's going to be amazing. And I freeze and feel really cold. So for all the outdoor activity like, you know, going to the reindeer farm or the husky farm, I think this is going to be very helpful for me, all of which I will vlog about. So make sure you stay tuned to the channel. But yeah, this is the first thing that I think is an essential, especially when it gets like really cold, like up to minus 30, then I think this is what I will really need when we're stepping outside. The next thing I'm taking are these like shoe kind of sole outside rubber thingies. I don't even know what to call them, but you put it onto your shoe somewhat like this and it has these like metal spikes underneath, so it stops you from slipping wherever it's like very icy. So I think this is going to be very helpful adding on to any shoe, because I had a little bit of trouble honestly getting snow boots in India. I do have some options which I will show you, but just for safety, I think it's really good that I have these in case I need to put them onto any shoe, because I don't know how well the shoes will actually grip if it's very icy. Speaking of shoes, I got these from Decathlon. So these are waterproof and they're snow boots according to them, but I don't know and I won't know until I actually wear it there. But I had no snow boots, so I went with this. They were totally out of stock, honestly, of all other colors and all other sizes. And literally, this was the last piece at Decathlon, so I didn't have much of an option but to really go with this. I also have these hunter boots. Now, these are actually monsoon boots, but they do come with these warm inserts which you can kind of layer over this as well. So it gives you a little bit of a snugger fit and it's like a woolen insert. I don't have them right now. My mom is going to be carrying those inserts for me, and I'm hoping that once I wear the inserts and once I wear it with like Heattech socks and tights and I stuff my pants in this, it keeps me warm and the air doesn't get in from here, because it is a little bit conical. If you see in terms of the shape, there's a little bit of room between my leg and the boot, to be honest. And these will be waterproof, of course. So if these work, I'm super happy. And then what I thought is that we can try this. Wait, I saw some video which said you have to do this and then this. Yeah. So there you go. I added that little accessory to this boot. So it goes on the top like this and at the back like this. And this is how you have the spikes underneath. And this is supposed to get you a better grip on the ice. So if this works for me, I'm golden. Next, I'm carrying these earmuffs with me. They're not really earmuffs. They're actually headphones. There's a little place for a jack here. But I've been using these as earmuffs for years and years. So I got it in two colors. One is this tan and beige kind of color, and the other is this black one. This black one actually recently broke when I went to Corbett on holiday, and I was so upset. Not because I wanted to use it as headphones, but really because I knew I was going to Finland and I was like, really, this one had to break right then, and I wasn't finding anything similar and cooler than this, right? I was getting the plain thin strap ones, and size is an issue for me because I'm so small. So I really was really upset, but we are in India. So Jugadu Mochi to the rescue. I just sent it to him and he just sliced it up and put it back together. And even the headphone seems to be working fine. So yay, go India. Next, I'm carrying a bunch of beanies. So I got this one from Uniqlo. This is so cute. This is actually a collaboration between Anya Hinmarch, if I'm saying that correctly, and Uniqlo. I just love this little eye detail, and it's actually a little pocket, so maybe if you have AirPods and stuff, you can keep them in here right on your head. But otherwise, these are also Heattech. So I just thought this would be a very cute kind of way to add some personality to an outfit. So I got this. Then I got these two from H&M, which are just very basic, simple ones. I actually like that it has this small white patch on it because I feel like, again, it adds some character. Same with this as well. So I got these two. Then from H&M, from their cashmere collection, I got this. This is, of course, extra warm because it's cashmere. So I thought it was going to be perfect for, those really cold, icy days where I'm spending a lot of time outdoors. Then I needed socks. I got these heat tech socks because they're thinner, but they keep you super duper warm. I wore a pair yesterday just to check them out and see, does it really keep me warm? Because they are actually quite thin and it really, really does. These are from Uniqlo. Then I got these neck warmers. I got it in black and I got it in tan. This is what it would look like over there if I just want to use it as a neck warmer. And you can also tighten it from the back. Like they have this little thing here, if you can see. So you can tighten it. I'm wearing a little bit of makeup right now, so I don't want to ruin this. But otherwise, I can wear it like that, or I can wear it like this. Next, from Uniqlo, again, I got these sets of extra warm heat tech inners. These are the thermal layers, so you'll have to wear thermal, then fleece, then sweater, then etc. So you really have to layer it up to be that warm in such extreme temperatures. So I needed a bunch of these first layer thermals. So this is what I got. Then I got these fleece kind of basic sweaters, which would essentially work as my second layer. I got these in a bunch of basic colors just so that I have extra layers to keep me warm. Then from Uniqlo, I also got this bag. Now this is their basic bag that they have, but it is waterproof. So again, if I'm going around in the snow and I'm walking around everywhere, I don't want to take my expensive like leather handbags and stuff, which is just going to get completely ruined. So I want something like this. I also have this in a red, so I'll be carrying that as well. But I just stocked up and got this in a black. Next, I got these heat tech gloves from Decathlon. These are to be worn under, some other form of gloves. I have a bunch of gloves that I'm taking. I have probably 2, 3, one in a basic black, one in a basic brown. And then I also have these heavy duty gloves, which I'm taking for the days when we're out like snowmobiling or something like that are waterproof. So how it would work is you wear this big glove and you wear this inside. These, you can't really do much with them, honestly. Like they're just padded to such a level that I can probably just grip onto something and that's about it. I can't use a phone and stuff. These are not those touch ones. Next, I'm carrying these Oysho track pants. I showed you these in my previous haul. If you haven't checked it out, then definitely check it out for a winter shopping haul that I did. But I got these in a bunch of other colors because the fit was amazing. And so I'm going to take this color, a black and a white striped one and a plain black one. Of course, I have to keep my legs warm as well. So I have these pants, which honestly, I bought it like some 15 years ago from a random boutique store in London. And these have been working for me for years and years. And I think it's a great example of if you invest in good quality items, it can last you a very, very long time. You see, these are lined internally. So it's very, very warm and it's super snug. The fit is amazing. In terms of pants, you also actually need ski waterproof pants and these are not. So I have ordered a bunch of pants to the hotel already. So hopefully those fit me and work really well. Otherwise, I'll be running around shopping and trying to find at least one pair of waterproof pants. Okay, for jackets, I have this one. You need really nice, thick, warm jackets, honestly. So I've got these. Again, this I got from Decathlon and it was mentioned as minus 20 degrees. So this will work really well. This is a parka jacket is what they call it. It's a little bit bulky and stuff, but this is what I really need. I tried to get it in a black, but they just didn't have it. So I got this in a beige. And I also got this jacket in a white, which I think looks amazing and will look really good. So 2 colors is what I have, the beige and the white, for like these really nice warm jackets for, again, the extremely cold temperatures. And I will probably just take my Uniqlo basic black kind of ULD for, Helsinki and those days where it's not really, really cold and I feel like the layers I've worn are enough and I can get away with that jacket. But of course, I've taken these two super warm jackets. Then I got this pair of sunglasses from this brand called Okno Eyewear Labs online. It's their website. By the way, link whatever products I have and can find down below. I'll link everything for you. These are the sunglasses that I got. These are not really reflective, but I wanted something that kind of covers my eyes from the side. So in case there's heavy snow coming, it's not going into my eyes. Also because I wear contact lenses, so that's not a risk I really wanted to take. In case you haven't realized, everything is really, really bulky. And of course, you have luggage allowance to think of. So my last essential is probably my favorite essential that will last you anytime. And that is an electronic vacuum packing machine and these vacuum packing bags. Vacuum bag like this with the pump that I'm going to carry with me will help me kind of save space and squeeze all my clothes together, like whatever I find bulky, especially the jackets, because honestly, they are really, really heavy and bulky. And if you try to fold them or even if you keep them flat, they are taking up quite a bit of space in the suitcase. So I think this is going to be super duper awesome and useful. And even if I have to go shopping there, I can still fit a bunch of stuff and come back and just suck all the air out and carry a lot more stuff. And that's the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. All the products will be linked down below. I'll see you in my next video.